Hello, I thought this morning that I would show you how easy it is to rehydrate the Orkney Parrots food. I'm going to give some to my ladies this morning, and so I thought you might like to see that. My apologies for the lighting in here. The sun hasn't come up yet in Orkney. A little bit more. There we are, there's one. This particular mix I think is really yummy. Well, judging by the way the birds eat it anyway, it seems to be very yummy. I'm really pleased with it. It contains Brussels sprouts, carrots, courgettes, green beans, kale, butternut squash, and red, green and yellow peppers. So lots of tasty, healthy things in there for your friends to enjoy. As you can see, I just keep mine in a cereal box, basically. I'm just making sure I've got enough in each bowl. There we are. So you just put a little layer on the bottom of your bowl. This is actually going to make quite a lot. So possibly a bit more than what my birds actually need. So it's very simple. We just get some hot water. You must be able to see the cardboard that Susie has been tearing up. So there's bits of paper all over the worktop. This is life with parrots. There we are. Here we are. Now that sounded like it was enough water. I will check them in a minute. But I go on the sound. So on the instructions I just say to cover the veg with a layer of hot water. Cover the veg with hot water, sorry. There we are. So now everything is freshened up, for want of a better word. It's ready to be eaten by the ladies. So I think they will enjoy this. You hear them talking in the background. Oh, they're going quiet now that I've said that. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this little video, and I hope to speak to you again soon. Bye-bye. Here is a bonus clip of the very dark view outside my house while we're waiting for the sun to rise. I asked the A lady earlier, that's the well-known smart speaker, when sun was rising today, and she said it would be 9:11 a.m. So there we go.